Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head Veterinary Medicine, welcomes you on the youtube.com/Dr. Vet channel in the slide presentation of question bank 3 in the subject of veterinary medicine. Here I have described 25 short questions for the examination by the students and for the competitive examinations. Sometimes one questions can be asked in a different way, 2 ways, 3 ways. So one question contains many times 2 questions, 3 questions like that. So in that type of information I have narrated here. Question 1, site of pox lesion in horse. You know that the pox is a disease of skin and it is found in the horse. The skin of limb, especially the pastern region, it is called as leg form or Jenner's horsepox. Lesions are also found on lips, buccal mucosa, called buccal form of pox disease. Question 2. Animals showing marked jaundice, that is biliary form, but hemoglobinuria is absent in babesiosis. Which animal? So in horse babesiosis, there is marked jaundice, but hemoglobinuria is not found. Question 3. Shape of Theileria protozoa in red blood cells. Theileria parva has a rod or comma-shaped shape. Theileria annulata is a ring-shaped. Question 4. Pox. It is also called as equine variola in horse. That pox disease in horse is absent in animal. It is absent in dog. Question 5. Age at which the avian leukosis complex is common. This is avian leukosis is a cancerous disease of birds, poultry, and is more common in older birds. Question 6. Etiology of coccidioidomycosis. It is also called as cocci, also known as valley fever or desert fever. Coccidioidomycosis caused by dimorphic fungi. Name is Coccidioides immitis and Coccidioides posadacea. The majority of cases are reported in dogs. Question 7. Characteristic urination in case of cystitis or urethritis. From clinician point of view for the diagnosis, this is important question. One thing is that painful urination, because when the urine passes through urethra, inflamed urethra, urethritis, there is pain. Bladder has to contract, inflamed bladder contraction, pain, so painful urination. Second is the frequent urination, because when there is inflammation, all the time there is sensation. So little bit urine is coming at a time. So whatever urine comes, that is one time. Again there is bladder is little bit full, again because of inflammation and irritation, there is again sensation of urination. So at a time, small bouts of urine comes, that is frequent urination. And important thing is that animal remain in urination posture for some time even after cessation or stoppage of urination. Important symptom, because the once the urination is passed, or for the passing of urination, the animal assumes urination posture. When the urination passed, till that sensation, irritation is there because of the cystitis and urethritis. So animal remain in urinary posture for some time even after stoppage of urination. Important symptom. Question 8. Dumb form of rabies cause characteristic voice in dog. Important symptom, important question. In rabies, there is partial paralysis of vocal cords. I know that vocal cords are useful for making sounds. Results in a change in a voice. That means the dog is not normally barking, but the barking sound is depressed because of paralysis of vocal cords, and that is called as howl or howling. Important question. Question 9. Mechanism of thymus atrophy in canine distemper. Important question. The thymus atrophy is found in most of the canine distemper cases. The answer is apoptosis. Apoptosis is a process of cellular self-destruction, and this apoptosis play a role in mechanism of thymus atrophy. This thymus atrophy is a consistent finding in the postmortem in case of canine distemper. So apoptosis is a mechanism of self-destruction of cell. There is destruction of the cell of the thymus atrophy, and is important finding. Question 10. Composition of diet suggestion prepartum for the prevention of milk fever or parturial paresis. What type of diet is suggested? Special. So answer is important question. Answer is the diet must contain low calcium and high phosphorus to prevent parathyroid quiescency. So if the owner provide low calcium and high phosphorus, the parathyroid gland remain active. So when parturition is there, at that time, if the parathyroid is active, the calcium homeostasis will be maintained, and this is how it prevents the milk fever or parturial paresis. If calcium is provided more, then the parathyroid gland become quiet. That is called parathyroid quiescency. So when there is actual need at the time of parturition, calcium may not be available because idleness of this parathyroid gland. Question 11. Cause of parasitic abomascitis. Important question. Answer: Hemoncosis is a common and severe disease of ruminant abomasum. Remember, Hemoncus contortus infects mainly sheep and goat abomasum, and Hemoncus placei mainly affect cattle. Question 12. Type of colic in horse showing a symptom of bouts of abdominal pain with a alternate period of relaxation, again bout of pain, again no pain, again pain. So these symptoms are observed in what type of colic? The answer is spasmodic colic. When there is contraction of intestine, the spasm of intestine, there is pain. When spasm of intestine stops, there is no pain. Again, contraction of intestine, spasm of intestine, pain. When relaxation, no pain. Question 13. The standard liver biochemical test used in assessing hepatobiliary disease. See here, two things are involved: hepato, liver, and biliary also. Important question. The important liver biochemical tests are to determine enzymes: serum aminotransferases, alkaline phosphatase ALP, and bilirubin. Question 14. Content of urine in equine exertional rhabdomyolysis. The other name is azoturia, or it is famously called Monday morning sickness. Important question. The answer is the syndrome that damages muscle tissue in horses. So when the muscle tissue are damaging, they release myoglobin into the blood, and that myoglobin appear in urine, and urine will be a coffee colored. So myoglobin is the content of urine. Achha. Question 15. Symptoms of ergot poison in cattle. The answer is gangrene of extremities, because this ergot is a fungi. The toxin of ergot causes contraction of blood capillaries. So there is gangrene of extremities, and it is manifested by loss of tips of ear and tail, characteristic finding. Feet and legs are affected and is manifested by lameness with potential swelling in fetlock and hog joint. In severe cases, loss of force. This is again due to contraction of capillary that reduces the blood supply to the skin, and there is gangrene of the skin. Question 16. Characteristic of feces in fowl typhoid. Important question. One of the important symptoms to diagnose fowl typhoid is there is severe greenish diarrhea in poultry. Question 17. Cause of canine leptospirosis. Important question. Answer is Leptospira interrogans, Serovars canicola, and Serovars ictrohemorrhagic are the traditional or main causative agent of canine leptospirosis. Important question. Question 18. Forms of anthrax bacilli. There are two forms. One form is the spore form, is found in environment. That means outside the body. And other form is vegetative form. It is found in the body. Question 19. Important question. Use of Horti's test. Answer. Horti's test is used for the diagnosis of mastitis caused by Streptococci agalactiae? Remember. Question 20. Diagnose the disease when the symptoms are anemia, icterus, red urine, abortion, and fever in dog. Important from clinical point of view and exam point of view. The disease is leptospirosis, canine leptospirosis. Question 21. Cause of foot and mouth disease. Important question and easy question. Picornavirus. Question 22. Most susceptible animal to hemorrhagic septicemia. Don't forget this thing. Buffaloes are highly susceptible. Question 23, important question. Vampire bat transmits which disease? Important disease. Vampire bat transmits rabies. This vampire bat is found in caves. Question 24. Highly pathogenic brucella in human beings. Important question. Brucella melitensis. Question 25. Important question. Cause of pink eye in cattle. Answer. Moraxella bovis. Dear friends, share this information to veterinarians and help them to pass in competitive examinations. To promote and support channel, requested to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing the video. Next time I will come with question bank number 4 in the subject of veterinary medicine.